think I took too much. Because I wanted to make the little hearts on my face. Like, you can't even see it.
All I want is to be with somebody, take my pain away. I am music playing so loudly, sing me now in the night wide awake.
Hi guys, I'm back with a new video. It is me, Tima, and today I have a new background going on because I'm filming at Ipsy Studios. And if you guys were looking at my Instagram the other day, I went ahead and I bought the Style Nanda Pore Silky Balm. It looks kind of like spackle. I saw in their image that they had an orange in the picture. The primer was covering it, and it kind of looks like my face. I'm not sure if y'all can see on this camera. You probably can, because I can see it from here. Yeah, I have really, really large pores. So I'm gonna try this out and see how it works. I'm also gonna be using other Korean skincare products and makeup products, so stuff that I've kind of, you know, accumulated over the years. Let's open this. So this is what the packaging looks like. I got this last week and it cost around $18, and it's also on the Style Nanda website. And I also may or may not have already dipped into this. I wanted to swatch it and see how it would work, so there's kind of like already a dent in here. But I'm gonna use this to start off my makeup, and we're gonna test it and see how it looks on porous / textured skin. Just dip my tool into this. I think I took too much. This is what it looks like. So I'm gonna probably take less. All right, so I'm gonna just warm this up in my hands and we're gonna see if this works. Now, this also kind of reminds me of the KAJA balm that they have, but like once you warm it up in your hands, that's kind of what it feels like. And I'm not gonna rub, I'm gonna just press it into my skin. My problem areas are like right into my cheeks right here, so. Kinda has a white cast. I'm not surprised.
It is part of the deal. You like it.
All right, so my initial thoughts, I feel like it looks kind of like my other primers that I have, but I haven't tried this with makeup yet, so we're gonna see. It also comes with a sponge here. I'll try to use it and see if it really, you know, melts it into the skin.
Take it all in, just take it all in. So pay attention now.
Also, I just warn you guys not to be like me. I put on a lot of products sometimes, especially when I'm first trying something out. I can't help it. You guys have seen Jackie Aina's videos and how she puts a powder underneath her foundation. So I might do a little bit of that just to make sure everything sets really well and lasts longer. I have my INNISFREE Mineral NO-SEBUM packed. I haven't tried the blurring one yet, and I think that I heard it's really good. Bit of this on my cheeks, just because these are my problem areas when it comes to my foundation. Just honestly most of my T-zone. Okay, so I don't have a Korean foundation. I haven't tried one yet, so I just have my Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Skin Foundation in the color, or in the shade, Y505. I think this one works honestly the best with my textured skin. So if you're looking for a good foundation, it just kind of sits really well and it makes your face look glowy and flawless. I went to the Adorned by Chi event the other day, and this literally helped my skin. Oh my god, I totally forgot to bring a setting spray. Oops. I think also with this foundation too, what I like about it is that it's a more sheer, is it sheer medium? No, it's like a medium buildable. Okay, I feel like we have a flawless base right now. This is how it's looking without any powder on top of it. I'm not sure, you guys be the verdict of how this primer looks. Concealer, I'm gonna go in with my Tarte Shape Tape in Tan Sand.
We don't need to explain everything, no.
Whenever I put too much foundation or concealer, I just kind of go with the back of the Beauty Blender so that it kind of picks up more of it and it doesn't look super cakey and weird. I feel like I'm horrible at blending concealer. I know I'm saying this, it's so funny because I claim to do like a lot of makeup videos and tutorials, but I always end up missing a spot. Okay, I'm gonna go in with the NO-SEBUM Mineral Pack again and see how that looks on top of the concealer. It might look a little bit ghostly, but I'm gonna brush everything off. Go in with my Laura Mercier, I think it's medium to deep powder. I'm gonna use this brow gel from JOAH Beauty, and this is just a clear top coat. What I don't like about this product is that it gets kind of wet and it doesn't dry that fast, so you have to kind of wait until you go in with your brow pencil, because I usually do that last. I'm gonna go in with my Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil in number 6. I'm really seeing my pores look diminished right now. I'm surprised. Alright, so the camera stopped recording, not sure when it stopped, but I'm going in with my brows at this point in time. So let's go into eyeshadow next, because I just want to get that over with. It's the Shadow Trio. I've used this quite a lot since I bought it. I bought this probably a few months ago. Shades in Rosewater 01, and we're gonna just do like a pinkish eye look. I keep thinking that you guys are gonna call me out because I've been using the same eyeshadows for like the past maybe 6 or 7 videos on my channel. Not the same ones, but like the same color scheme, which has either been red or orange. And I'm just waiting for someone to call me out and be like, Tima, you keep doing the same exact few looks. I'm really sad because I want to get the brown one. They have a brown trio that I've been wanting. I might get that actually before Japan because the colors are just so nice. Oh yeah, I also wanted to say thank you to all of you who have been watching my last video that I did. Got honestly 100% positivity from the video, which I wasn't really expecting, but a lot of you guys related to what I was saying, which was really nice. But there were a lot of Liberian commenters, so hello, welcome. I didn't know that there were that many out there watching YouTube, honestly, because I don't really get to talk to too many Liberian people that really understand, you know? I brought the M Cosmetics liner in, I think this is dark brown. It's just in brown. Oh yeah, also, I do want to make plans to go to Korea sometime next year. I don't know if that's going to be a possibility, but I really hope that it is. I also brought my Fenty Beauty in Truffle. I always use this to contour my nose. I'm gonna go in with my KAJA Mochi Glow. This thing looks so dirty. Like, I did not clean my my stuff before I came here. And I'm just gonna dip my finger and use it as a highlight for myself.
All I want is to be with somebody, take my pain away. I am music.
Ooh, this looks really, I don't know why I don't use this more often, honestly. I've only been using like a gold highlighter, but this looks really pretty and it's also very soft on the skin. A lot of highlighters make my texture look raised and it looks really bad, but this like goes on very, very smooth and it gives you that nice dewy look instead of anything else. So, oh, I wonder if I brought my freckle pen. Yeah, this one's from Miniso. It's not actually a freckle pen, it's more of like a lip tint, but whenever I apply it to my face, it does tend to look like freckles. And this stuff stays all day because again, it's meant to be a lip stain, so it doesn't move anywhere, hence is why I use it. I'm not sure if they're still selling it at Miniso, but it was only, what, $2 that I spent on this. It wasn't a lot of money at all. It's very, very cheap. Signature freckle look, I have to do that. I'm also gonna go in with my blush before my lips. Put this on here. So yeah, this is in the color Taupe. I'm almost done with this. I have to buy a new one whenever I go back to Japan in September because it's so good and it just like, I like how you can layer these. Not going for a red look today. I'm just gonna try to mix this with the new Nude. Does this even go with my of my eyes. Ooh, I like this. Wow, this looks really pretty together. First, I'm gonna put the M Cosmetics in Caramel Glaze on top. Okay, and then the last final touch I'm gonna use. So I love these things. These are from Stila, and a lot of you guys have asked me what I used for my highlight recently, and I just add this on top of whatever highlight that I use. And I just like do a couple dots, and then it kind of just intensifies your highlight for pictures, just in person, everything. And they do sell these in samples, so I have the sample size version of them, and they have, I think, 5 in the sample, or somewhere from 3 to 5. Ooh, I like this. Even without using a setting spray, I think this turned out very nice to use. No, okay, I'm not done. We're gonna use this KAJA Beauty Blush in Bossy, because I wanted to make the little hearts on my face. Like, you can't even see it. I'm just gonna go in with my beauty blender like so, and just, actually it looks really pretty. It's like nice and peachy. Actually, this whole look looks very flawless, and I'm gonna say it's thanks to the Style Nanda Pore Silky Balm. So definitely try this out if you do have large pores like myself. I would say I give this out of a 10, maybe a 7. I've never had an 8 or a 9 yet, or even a 10 as far as a pore, you know, reducer. Almost non-existent. All right, well, I think that's it for this video. I hope that you guys liked it. Hopefully I wasn't rambling too much. And again, I'm gonna put the link to the Style Nanda Pore Silky Balm down below. Just click the magic link or my Amazon link, whatever it's gonna be. A little bit goes a long way, so you don't have to use as much as I did. I like to go overboard with products, so, and yeah. Bye guys.
Coming